Hi everybody, I'm Tara from Crooked Row, and today we get to plant. So I know it's not quite February, we're in January 31st today. By the time you see this, it's definitely going to be February. It's time for winter sowing, and so I'm super excited about this. All you need for today are the seeds that you want to sow, your containers. I'm using leftover salad containers, your seed starting mix, and excitement. Let's get started. So today we're going to plant onion seeds, and onions are one of those things that can really handle a lot of cold, so that's why we're starting that now. So what I want to do is we're going to really tightly pack our seed containers, and when I say we, I mean my planting crew. Come here, planting crew. Come here, planting crew. And one more. Here's the planting crew. And so today we're going to plant, this is from Seed Savers Exchange. Let me get it close. Seed Savers Exchange. And this is, I guess it's Elsa Craig. These are supposed to be very big onions. So I'm going to do the first one, and I'm going to show them how to do this. I mean, they kind of know how to do it already, but just for fun, I'm going to teach them how to do it. So we already have our seed starting mix that is watered, and you don't want to be able to wring water out of it, but you want it to stay in a clump like that. And so that is like your happy medium, no pun intended. And so you just want to, so this is my container. I'm filling my container. And some people don't fill it up all the way. I like to fill it up pretty good because I like to have a good root system. And if you don't have a good root system, I don't have as much success with my things. So there's no holes or anything in this yet. I like to actually put the holes in after I put the dirt in, because it doesn't make the container bend as badly. So I just fill it up pretty good, pretty high, like that. And then, so I just put the lid on my container, and then I flip it over, and I put some holes in it. These are just drainage holes. You just want to make sure that this does not have too much water in it. Now, so in the past, and with most winter sowing, you put holes for it to get water on the top. I did this last year, and I didn't have a lot of success with it. So I'm gonna watch it, and I'll let you know how it works out this year. Typically in the past, I just kept it like this with drainage holes in the bottom. So I'm going to then open this up, and I'm going to sow my seed. Yep. So onion seeds are pretty small. Can you see that, Lacey?
Yep.
So I'm just going to get a little tiny amount of them, and I'm just going to surface sow them. I'm going to scatter sow them, but I'm going to do it sort of thick, because that's when these get to like thread-like, I'm actually going to pull each of them out and put them in their own container. So they don't need to be spaced very far apart. And then I'm just going to, you can add a little bit of soil on top, but not much. It doesn't really need it. Just a hair more. Okay. And then this should produce about 50 onion plants. And then we will show you when we do this into singular containers, but that's not that time right now. So we got a little bit for that. We got to watch these puppies grow, and we're just going to keep these outside in a sunny location on the ground. Sometimes I put them up on a table just so I don't forget about them, because that's easy to do too. So now my little helpers are going to get to theirs. Let's get started. we now have 5 salad boxes full of onion seed that's ready to sprout up. It's probably not going to right away because it's so cold. I don't know if you can see my breath, but it was very cold today. All of our fingers are numb, aren't they? Yeah. Was that easy, guys? Yeah? Easy?
Definitely.
Very easy. So, whether you're in an apartment or you're in a farm or you're in a suburb, anybody can do this. This is not rocket science. You can put this out on your back porch, on your deck, on your balcony, you know, on your farm, wherever. These are easy things, and everybody has salad containers from the store. So this is super cinchy. If you have any questions, please ask us below. If there's something that you would like us to explain or something you would like to see, please let us know in the comments below or email us. I believe the email address, Elijah, is in the comment section or the details or whatever it is. You can tell I don't do that part. So remember, if we can winter sow, anybody can.
Bye.